You guys, good morning too. We are actually across the street from the home that you just mentioned, Vanessa. This is where firefighters were called just around 11 o'clock last night. It's quiet here right now, but if you take a look at the images we got for you, it was a different scene just around 11 o'clock a few hours ago, as a matter of fact. We are on West 6th Street between Avenues U and T in the Gravesend section of Brooklyn. Firefighters were initially called here for reports of a person who was unconscious. So when they got here, they actually found several other people that were sick and high levels of carbon monoxide inside that home there. You can see in the video the number of trucks that responded to the scene. According to FDNY, as many as 12 people were hurt in this. 8 of them were taken to the hospital. 4 others were treated here at the scene. They didn't need to be taken to the hospital. And we heard some of those victims needed to be treated with oxygen masks here because they inhaled that substance. And I just spoke with a resident here just in the last 45 minutes, and he described what he saw last night. Take a listen.
Yes, it was right here.
So you saw it?
I saw this, yeah.
What did you see?
I see this emergency vehicle were here. I have a kid's family, so, you know, they were born and raised here. So it's a concern, yeah.
It really is a concern. Things you should be paying attention to. There could be signs of carbon monoxide exposure or shortness of breath, dizziness, and blurred vision. Older adults and children are more at risk. And here's the thing, the biggest problem with carbon monoxide is that the gas has no smell, which is why it is always important to ensure your carbon monoxide detector at your house is working. Firefighters are right now trying to identify the source of this leak here at this residence. The good news is, as of this morning, everyone is expected to be okay. They were able to get this contained at around 1:30 this morning. Live in Brooklyn this morning, I'm Giovanni Diaz, Pix 11 News.